Welcome. Today we're diving into a cool WhatsApp feature that lets you share voice recordings as your status. It's a fantastic way to express yourself in a more personal way. Let's walk through the steps to make it happen. First, open the WhatsApp app on your device. Ensure that your app is updated to the latest version so you can access all the newest features. Next, tap on the Updates tab at the bottom of your screen. This is where all your status updates and those of your contacts are displayed. Now, look for the new text status icon. It's represented by a pencil symbol in the bottom right corner. Tap on it to open the status creation screen. Here comes the fun part. You'll notice a microphone icon at the bottom right corner of this screen. Press and hold this microphone icon to start recording your voice message. Speak clearly and share whatever you'd like, whether it's a quick update, a greeting, or something meaningful. Once you've finished recording, release the microphone icon. Your voice note will appear on the status creation screen. If you're happy with it, simply tap send, and voila! Your voice recording is now live as your WhatsApp status. That's all there is to it. This feature is end-to-end encrypted and will disappear after 24 hours, just like other statuses. It's a simple, yet powerful way to connect with your contacts using your own voice. Thanks for tuning in. Try it out today and let your voice be heard.